In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Krita plugins step by step, safely and correctly, so you can start using new tools, features, and scripts inside Krita without any confusion. Whether you're installing your first plugin or just want a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the full process from download to activation. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. The first thing you want to do is download the plugin from a trusted location. This is really important because plugins are third-party files and you always want to make sure you're getting them from a safe and reliable source. Once you've downloaded the plugin, you'll usually have it as a .zip file or another compressed archive format. The important part here is not to manually extract the files yourself. Krita expects the plugin to stay inside its downloaded archive folder, so leave it exactly as you downloaded it. Now open Krita. Once the program is running, look at the top menu bar. From there, go to Tools, then Scripts, and then click Import Python plugin from File. This is the option Krita uses to bring in external Python-based plugins. After you click it, a File Explorer window will appear. In that window, navigate to the location where you saved your plugin download. Select the .zip file for the plugin, and then click Open or OK, depending on what your system shows. If you see any prompts asking you to confirm, proceed, or overwrite anything, review them carefully and continue if you're sure you selected the correct file. After the import completes, the next step is very important. Restart Krita completely. Don't just close the window and keep it running in the background. Fully exit the application so it can properly index the new script data and recognize the plugin you just added. Once Krita reopens, you're not quite done yet. By default, Krita keeps newly imported third-party plugins disabled for security reasons. That means you need to activate the plugin manually before you can use it. To do that, go back to the top menu bar and click Settings, then choose Configure Krita. In the Settings window, look for the Python Plugin Manager tab on the left-hand side. This is where Krita lists all available Python plugins. Scroll through the alphabetical list until you find the plugin you just imported. When you see it, check the activation box next to its name. This tells Krita that you want the plugin enabled. After that, click OK at the bottom to save the change. To make sure everything loads correctly, restart Krita one final time. This final restart allows the extension code to fully initialize so the plugin is ready to use. And that's it. You've now installed and activated a Krita plugin the right way. The key steps are simple. Download the plugin from a trusted source, import the archive file without manually extracting it, restart Krita, then enable the plugin in the Python Plugin Manager and restart one more time. Once you get used to the process, installing Krita plugins becomes fast and easy. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Krita tutorials and creative software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.